Yeah, we don't
12 o'clock?
Yep.
Yeah, I got the rake. Let's see, that's all I need.
Clock. Yep.
Yeah, I got the rake. Let's see, that's all I need. I can shovel.
Big Eye is alive.
Okay, let's go. So, here we go. Okay, we're going up to where it's more cobbly, Tony, to get the rake sample. It's pretty smooth right here.
Okay, the rake sample should be 1 crater diameter away from Plum, and it doesn't have to be
Plum. Right.
doesn't have to be too cobbly there.
Okay. Okay, well,
That's about it then, John.
yeah, but I don't think any of it. The rocks from here may have come from Plum, but they may be some other place too.
Well, let's do what they want us to do, all right?
Right, the intent was to get other things than Plum
How about
right there.
out there in my shadow. There's some right there. That might
Sure
be
going to get them.
Okay, down sun, 11 footer.
Right here, Charlie?
Yeah, that's fine.
And John, when you get a
11
chance,
footer,
did we get a
11.
frame count from you?
Hey, Tony, I'm at 50, magazine Bravo.
Okay.
Okay, I'm at 10. Magazine Bravo. Charlie, you're standing in the shadow.
Sorry, I'm moving. Man, it's so easy to get around up here.
Okay, let's do it.
There's the locator. And we'll start the old rake for the first time. Get that beauty right there. Look at it. Come through that regolith, would you?
Charlie Houston, we'd like you to check your primary water valve.
Go ahead.
Make sure it's open.
Okay, I'll let John check it. I'm feeling good. Nice and cool. Can you check it?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Not sure it was all the way open.
Yeah, it's open, Charlie. It's all the way open.
Okay, we copy that.
Houston, it's open all the way. Houston, it's open all the way.
Yeah, I feel good cooling, Tony. Hey, move out. Let's get around out of the way there. Another rake. Okay, Tony, we got about,
Okay, Charlie, we think you're about to run out of primary feed water. Stand by for the tone. Just press on there.
okay, already? Is that right?
That's affirmative.
Put a man cooling. Okay, y'all been expecting it.
All the way up is men, isn't it, Houston?
Yeah. Hey, man, I'm losing all of those.
Yeah.
About, there's 3 little ones.
2 little ones now. Okay, better get another one.
Yeah. There's a pretty good. There's a glassy one right there. I can't tell what the other ones are.
Yeah, these are all dust coated. Want me to go lower or higher?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, Tony, we got about a half a sack full going in bag, what is it?
373.
372.
372.
372 with 3 rakes. Over.
Okay, we copy that. 372.
And there were lots of smaller ones, but they got more smaller ones, but they fell through the tines.
Okay, we copy. Yeah, I take it the soil isn't too cohesive here.
Barely hold the bag for a second.
No, they just fall.
Rod.
I think if we'd have picked another place, can't get the top off.
That's right. No problem.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, John, if you'll step aside, I'll get a soil sample. Okay, John, if you'll step aside, I'll get a soil sample. Okay, there's the tone, Tony.
Okay.
And get your off-board on. Want me to get it, Charlie?
Off.
Okay,
How
so
much
we lost
soil,
about 8
Tony?
minutes.
Kilos.
That's correct.
Kilo, huh? That's what I
Copy
thought.
that experiment.
That's right, 1 kilo.
I didn't copy how much we lost. 8 minutes.
That's about a
Okay.
kilo. One more scoopful?
Yeah, a little one.
Okay. Rock.
Oh, it looks
Like soil. Okay, man, it's really soft here, Tony, on the rim. You don't think far, but when you walk on it, it gets very...
That's the last time I do that with soil.
when you rake it, did it come out? The Z in, you mean? Look at that no mine already, would you? Look at that color chart.
Drop the dirt all over it. We just have to be more careful. Okay, that's 354. Going in bag 354, Houston.
Okay, 354.
Hey, Tony, is the feed water pressure coming back up again?
That's affirmative, flight.
That's affirmative.
Okay, I don't feel
Side
it.
experiment.
And we ought to start from here, John, and do radial sampling in towards
Okay, we're
Plum.
going to keep station
Okay,
1
why don't you go ahead and
this
get started, and I'll
normal,
go get the
normal
shovel,
duration,
okay? Alright.
regardless here how much time we lose.
Okay. And your time to leave was 5 plus 1, 6, is that correct?
Tony, I went to minimum
check.
on my coolant.
Okay, we copy that.
Tell me, did you copy that?
Hey,
Well,
was that
Roger.
about what time you expected, or am I using it faster?
Using it faster than we expected,
Normal.
flight.
Oh, you're using it just a hair faster. We'll probably take a couple of minutes off the EVA, but it's nothing real bad.
Flight, they're both in minimum.
Okay, I feel like what happened is that I've been on
Roger.
And we recommend that
a
when they
little
get to
bit more
working,
than
that they go
minimum
ahead and get
cooling.
back to intermediate. They're on minimum right now.
Okay.
about push the rover over. Do this.
Capcom flight.
Jaco.
Okay, we don't want them to bias and stay in that min cooling if it's uncomfortable. That's,
Okay.
You're not making any money that way, I don't think.
Charlie, Houston, we don't want you to stay on min cooling. If you need more cooling than that, you really don't buy anything. You just store it and have to pay it off later.
I understand. I was just telling you what the circumstances were.
Okay.
Thank you for this reminder. What are you picking up? That little old thing?
Charlie, that's as good as any.
It looks like it's going to come apart, though, to me.
That might. There's 3 or 4 samples right there we can get.
I'm just trying to turn my feed water on a little bit. Yeah, I'll get these in the shovel.
Okay.
If you don't get out of that, if you don't get that thing in the...
Okay, are all these rocks looking pretty much the same?
They're all covered, Tony,
All
with
duck covered.
Okay.
dust.
Tell me, flight.
Go ahead,
What
flight.
do you need,
The
Charlie?
feed water depletion
Bag.
looks to me like it's about an hour earlier than you expected. Is that right? Is it that much?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes. What's the
Angler.
line that's
No
drawn on
angler,
there?
though. I'll tell you that.
That's the pre-mission prediction line.
That's
Here's
why I
one with
was
a white
going to-
streak. It looks like a caliche streak through it. Leave it. It's all. It's a white. It's that white rock. Okay, there are 4 samples, John. That's good enough.
Okay, that's in bag 371, Houston.
Okay, 371.
Get the locator. See. Okay, wait a minute. We need a soil from there.
Okay. Put this in your bag.
Okay, come on over. Man, that crater, that is really something. Tony, on the west side of Flag, there is a small crater, maybe 2 to 3 meters across. It's real fresh, has some real bright rays, and you can see a blocky interior. Wait a minute, John, just let me shoot. Okay, there you go.
Look at that, Charlie.
Okay. And that's about a third of the way down from the rim. Wish we could see the bottom,
Okay,
but
that's going in bag 363, Houston. 363.
Okay, 363.
Let me get after that, Charlie.
okay, I'll move.
I have to get it from the other side. Okay.
Okay.
Inco flight.
Here's one right here, John. It'll make a good one.
Yeah. Are we really getting
That one
anything
right
out of
there, right
watching
by
them
that footprint.
through there? Can we look around a little bit?
That's a good sample
Perfectly all right
size.
with me.
Well, who's
About,
whoever's
5
using the
meters
camera
across.
there?
That one
Check
right
No, right here to my
I
right
don't
of my
see how they
shadow.
can get much out of that.
See right there? Let me show you.
Okay. Right there.
Right here, see?
Okay.
Okay. It's a angular, subangular rock, Houston. 5 centimeters. I can see some white glass shining through it.
But it's dust covered again.
It's everything here is dust covered, yeah. Got that beauty.
Okay, Charlie. Okay, Charlie.
Okay, Tony, it's a white matrix. It's a breccia, it looks like. White clasp with some greenish-looking, very small millimeter-size phenocryst in a black matrix.
Okay, we copy that.
Bag 364, Houston.
Okay, 364.
Okay, let me get that soil sample.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me get out, bounce out of the way here. Oh, John. Fell out.
You're bouncing too high.
Oh, did you
I
close
get it. No, I didn't close the top.
Oh,
And I didn't stuff it down in there.
gotcha. That's how I fell down. I got you. Got it. 2-man job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Full step, huh?
Yeah. Man, Tony, it's really spongy here. The regolith, it's just real loose and non-compacted, if that's a Unconsolidated is the word I'm searching for.
Right, we copy. Can you see where the TV is pointed?
Yes, it's pointed down towards South Ray.
Right, over to the right.
Oh,
Over to the right on the edge of Plum there, it looked like there might be a rock with some phenocryst in it. If you're over that way, you might look around and see if you see something like that. It may have been just dust on it.
okay. There's a big rock on that I've already described. Did you get the after there, John?
Yeah, I got the empty one.
Okay.
Let's get a soil sample.
Okay, coming up. Bags of paint, aren't they?
Flight, tell me.
Okay.
Go, Tubby.
Yeah, it's going
Looks
in bag
like the
356.
commander's starting to store a little
soil
heat.
sample.
Okay, 356.
Still in minimum. It's up to him, I guess.
Okay, you're guessing he's storing heat because he's still in memory and working pretty hard.
Yeah.
So you don't have any measures.
No, but we've seen some
Okay,
characteristic
Houston, I'm on frame
relationship
count.
between the M temp and the delta T across
24.
the LCG that's indicative of and his inlet temp is continuing to rise.
Okay, there's one right on the rim we can get.
Okay.
A good size one right over here by my footprint. Actually, I took pan 1 where pan 2 should have been. Okay, looking down into Plum, Tony, there's some cobbles and things on the inner rim, but they aren't very large. Maybe 30 centimeters or so is the biggest.
Want to get some of these here, Charlie?
Yeah, that's great. That definitely is a breccia right there, John. See
Yeah, I
that?
can see the glass in it.
Yeah. I forgot to have the locator on that one.
Now, wait a minute. I didn't get the thing. Right.
That's the way that color chart is so covered with dust.
How we doing on time, Tony?
Okay, you've got about 23 minutes left here.
23?
Good.
That's the
Got
wheels
Pick
rolling.
up lots of rocks in 20.
That's the wheels rolling, isn't it?
I'd like to go over to the other side, John, of Plum, because those rocks over there aren't dust covered, if you can see them.
That's a good idea, Charlie.
See right out there towards South Ray?
Yeah.
Those blocks don't look as dust covered as these. Uh-oh. Yeah. Ah, missed it. Wait a minute.
Nice juggling.
Well, it wasn't dust covered. Well, we missed it, but things really fly up here. I'm amazed.
You guys sure have dirty hands.
Yeah, my first guess is it is a breccia with white glass in it. And I see lineations all along it in the breccias. Well, it's a white glass breccia is what it is. I see no other glass in it. Of course, once you get the dirt off of it, it might all be white. And first cut would be a white glass breccia.
Okay, Tony.
Going into 362.
This one is a same spot. Is a breccia with a white matrix that's glass coated on one side, and thin, typical glass lunar surface glass coatings.
Okay, we copy that. And when you're through at this site, you can press on around Plum if you like.
Okay, we'd like to. There's a big boulder over there, and there's some blocks that aren't that are sitting out and aren't filleted. We'd like to try over there. See what?
Okay, use your discretion.
Here, John.
You've got some time.
That crummy thing.
Okay, those are big glass, aren't they?
Yeah. See. See that glass right there on the top?
Yeah.
Okay, Tony, the general terrain here is sloping off to the southwest, southwest at about 1 to 2 degrees, and the Plum, Flag crater is on the bit about to the top of this big ridge that slopes off generally to the southwest, to the west of South Ray, over.
Okay. On the boulders you see around there, do they have fillets, and if so, are they built up on any particular side?
That's rock bag at 352, Houston.
Okay, 352.
That's rock bag at 352, Houston.
Okay, 352.
I take it back, that's rock bag number 2.
Okay, number 2.
Come on, stick her in, let's go. Okay, man, are we making, is it dark in those shadows? Want to get an after there, John, or I'll get a...
I think if they had seen an igneous rock, they might say something. I'd really hate to ask them that again.
Soil sample coming up. Ben, soup. Okay. There you go.
Okay, that soil sample's in bag 369, Houston.
Okay, 369.
369.
Roger.
Charlie, you're going to fall down here with all these rocks.
No, I'll give you the shovel in just a minute when I fill up, and we'll swap.
Okay.
This shovel's a great tool, I'll tell you.
The heck up.
Ah, boy. And here come the Botsy twins.
You guys look like you're having a ball.
They are.
It really is fun.
Now, John, look at that footprint. Look underneath that regolith. When you kick that up a centimeter or so under, it's white. Absolutely white right here.
Well, take your old thing and do exploratory there for a while.
Would suggest that.
Oh, just if it's...
Look at that. Come over here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Give me a shot.
How about doing a skim right
I
here?
just want you to look here.
Flight experiments? We don't want
Okay,
a
the top,
scoop, but not a skim.
A scoop but no skim there, right?
Okay.
Had a perfect
I guess we just like a scoop here and no skim.
Charlie's right. Everywhere on... Okay.
Okay, Tony, let me describe what it is. The top centimeter of the regolith is gray, and you get down under that, and it's white.
All right, we copy that.
Much different albedo, three shades different.
Gotta be able to see that in the TV right there, Houston.
All right, we can.
The Botsy twins.
You guys look like you're having a ball.
They are.
It really is fun.
Now, John, look at that footprint. Look underneath that regolith. When you kick that up a centimeter or so under, it's white. Absolutely white right here.
Well, take your old thing and do exploratory there for a while.
Would suggest that.
Oh, just if it's...
Look at that. Come over here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Give me a shot.
How about doing a skim right here?
I just want you to look here.
Flight experiments? We don't want
Okay, the
a
top,
scoop, but not a skim.
A scoop but no skim there, right?
Okay.
Had a perfect
I guess we just like a scoop here and no skim.
Charlie's right. Everywhere on... Okay.
Okay, Tony, let me describe what it is. The top centimeter of the regolith is gray, and you get down under that, and it's white.
All right, we copy that.
Much different albedo, three shades different.
Gotta be able to see that in the TV right there, Houston.
All right, we can.
I'll dig you a little trench here. Boy, that's going to be a hard job.
Flight experiments. We want to get a sample of each, and then we leave.
Sample of each colored material?
Can you see that, Houston? We'll sample
not leave flag.
right there and get you a scoopful of this underlying regolith.
Gotta be able to see that in the TV right there, Houston.
All right, we can.
I'll dig you a little trench here. Boy, that's going to be a hard job.
Flight experiments. We want to get a sample of each, and then we leave.
Sample of each colored material?
Can you
And
see
you're
that,
ready to leave?
Houston?
Not
We'll
leave
sample
not leave flag.
right
leave this.
there and get you a scoopful of this underlying regolith.
Okay, I guess,
It really is a different albedo. It's amazing.
all right, we can see that here. Why don't you go ahead and get a bag of the dark and a bag of the light, and then we'll press on to that block from the northwest side.
All right?
Boy, my kids don't get as dirty as you are.
Man, well, we're having, I bet they not having as much fun either.
Yeah, I bet you're right.
It sure is me here.
Okay, let me get a shovel full of this. Right off the top here. Okay, there we go. Ah, look at that finger. Pick that up with one finger.
That's how much it touch.
Get the bag out.
Oh, that... John, we're going to have to change that bag dispenser. That is terrible.
There another one? Do we have another
Yeah,
one?
we got another one under my seat. Okay.
Okay. That top scoop is going in bag 352, Houston.
Okay, 352.
You don't know how good that water, merged water stuff tastes. Try to get way down there, John, and get a...
Flight experiments.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Uh-oh.
we're not
Uh-oh,
finished
what?
yet, but we're working on
I just,
the driving
I had a
time,
good
trying to
scoop
factor
full and I
that
lost
into
it. Let me dig out a little
everything, so we know when we have to leave Spook and how long we can stay there. But we're figuring on about 20 minutes total driving time. And we think that maybe that part of it was because it had poor visibility, and they might have been driving slow because of that.
Okay.
But we're not planning on anything faster than going out to go back to the limb.
Okay, that's probably wise.
There she be, coming up all white.
And if
$1 in there, John.
Okay. There it's going in bag 357.
Okay, 357. You fellas are ready packing them away there.
Flight, tell me new constraint charge, channel 64.
Okay.
How you feel, Charlie?
Fine, great. Tony, I can't get a locator of that. You know, we're right on the rim of...
All right, we've located it on TV, so we have it.
All right. Okay, we're going over to the big boulder.
Good show.
Tell me if
Man, you can't see anything down
Go ahead,
face,
Flight.
John.
your time back
Tony,
to
look
the lamb
at-
must be 6 plus 2.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Looking down sun here, down phase, at this area down slope, you get a definite feeling of lineations that run southwest northeast from Stone Mountain. They're sort of little furrowed ridges and pits and things.
Okay, you don't see any sharp scarps or anything like that, though.
No, sir.
No, nothing like on that map.
Right.
Although it's worse. Well, I'll tell you. There's holes, especially in zero phase. Well, I'm out of water.
Drinking water, that is.
Oh, okay.
Hey, John, you want to try just a piece of that?
Look at that, Charlie.
What's that?
That thing has greenish black class in it, right there in that boulder there.
It looked like it to me, too, yeah. Let's see if we can get a piece of that. It looked like it to me, too, yeah. Let's see if we can get a piece of that. Okay, Tony, this is a sub-rounded rock boulder that's a meter and a half across. It has a predominant fracture set, 20 centimeters on a side, that run here southeast, southwest northeast is the predominant fracture set.
Okay.
And it's partially buried.
What's up?
Okay, and John, over here also, as we move around, that very white material is right under the right under John's feet. I'll take a picture of that, and he's really changed the albedo by kicking into this little crater by this big rock. Go get old. Here he comes, folks. He's got the hammer out. I knew he couldn't resist.
I don't know if this will work or not, Charlie, but it couldn't pick a better spot.
Here we go.
Gonna do it. There's a piece. Let me hold you down a little bit. Hot dog. He did it. It's a very friable rock, apparently, Houston.
Okay, outstanding.
Charlie, don't do that. Let me do it.
I got it.
Experiment's fine.
Go ahead.
Lean it on the shovel.
Let's see, we got about 10 minutes left here. Is that
That's
Okay,
fine.
Houston, it's got some
Okay, I got
green
a time
class,
little table here.
some
I
white
can
class,
read up to you right now. It gets us back to
a
stop
grayish
3.
matrix.
okay? Let's have it.
The class are
Just put it on
millimeter
the
size
TV
and make
here.
up 5% of the rock.
Like, tell me they're both back in intermediate.
One big
Okay.
crystal, 5 millimeters across it. I can't tell what it is, but it's a beauty.
Okay, you think that's still a breccia?
Okay,
No,
there it is,
uh,
Mike. That gives us 19 minutes at
I'm
Spook
not sure,
Fair.
John. I think it might be, yeah, I think it's a breccia, really. But very friable.
Yeah, it has it's a breccia, Houston.
Yeah.
Or a welded, no, that's not right. It's a breccia, and I can see at least, there's, like Charlie says, there's 2 or 3 different type class in it. Just a one-stage breccia, though, it looks like. It's going in the bag 353.
Okay, 353, and you've
Tell
got
me this,
about
rock is still-
9 minutes until you have to leave.
All right, we'd like to go out and get one of those sharp rocks and a soil sample here. All right, we'd like to go out and get one of those sharp rocks and a soil sample here.
Okay, sounds good. And while you're taking pictures there, if you could take some pictures of the lineations on the ground you talked about.
Go ahead.
Do you have that copied?
Raj, thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll
I'll
take
do
it off.
that when I get to the right spot.
Okay.
And
Okay, I'm taking a soil sample of the
that 19
fillet
minutes at
around
Spook
this
gives
rock.
us
Okay.
Boulder.
barely enough time to do the LPM.
John, you just whacked that beauty right off of
Well,
there.
it doesn't give us enough time,
Like
really.
you say, it's friable.
You want to do an LPM or not?
I hit it on a fracture set, too.
Yeah. Turn that shovel that way.
368. This stuff is going into Houston.
Okay, 368, the soil.
Light, tell me.
Yeah.
Will you want me to
Yeah, I'll
update
get
the
the
plus one
after on
flight?
that, John.
Okay.
Raj,
Charlie's
let's
get the
update
after on that
Okay.
total of 368.
Done.
Flight
If
experiment.
you have time, could we do a second
Right,
pan
experiment.
from here?
It's just touch and go whether we can get it in or not. It's about 2 or 3 minutes
Yeah,
difference.
yeah.
It depends
I'm
really
supposed
when
to do that, ain't I?
what time it is when we
I
arrive.
was just thinking about that. That'd be a good idea. We're right on the rim of,
Okay, when
we're
you
really
get
right on the
there,
rim.
we'll
It's
need
right,
an
right
answer
on the,
immediately. Huh?
on the rim of,
What's your cutoff time?
both Plum and, Flag.
Yeah, my guess is the rock is the
Well,
way
I'd
it's laid in
say
here.
if we
it's
didn't
probably
arrive
from
there
the
by
bottom of Plum
5
somewhere,
plus
or down there somewhere.
Okay, John, I'm going to go
2,
over here and
3,
get some of these
we
lineations
can't do the LPM.
Okay.
close up.
Okay, that's the number I'm looking for.
Get something out there for scale. Tony, the lineation might be just the, I think really what it is the shadows cast by the sun.
And we got 7
because
minutes
the
before we
regolith
leave.
is so unconsolidated
That's right.
and loosely packed.
Raj, I think you're probably right. That makes a good study.
Okay, in fact, I'm convinced of that. And, okay, that's 2 stereo from 7 feet.
Okay.
John, you're just beautiful. That is the most beautiful sight.
What's that?
You're standing there on the rim of that crater.
Doggone, I've never heard John described as beautiful.
No?
Flight, tell me.
Well,
plus
he's
one block
not
is
really.
updated.
Well,
Okay.
actually he is on this thing, I'll tell you. Hi there. Hey, John, I'm going to run on out and look at some of these angular
Flight
ones out
experiments.
here.
Go ahead.
Okay, we could, when we get to Spook, we could get the CDR to just forget his description and get off the rover as fast as he can, get onto the LPM, get it going.
Tony, those lineations are
You want the CDR to
Or
forget the
definitely,
descriptions at Spook? Is that what you meant?
Yeah, let
due to
the LMP go ahead and get his 500
the
millimeter
shadows on
sample.
this loose regolith.
Yes, we better.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to have to hustle you on pretty soon, so you better grab those angular rocks.
Okay.
That pan takes me through frame 53.
Okay, 53.
Okay.
That pan takes me through frame 53.
Okay, 53.
Tony, I'll document this one while John's coming over with the scoop in place as a no-mine.
Okay, fine. Boy, this TV sure makes this fun.
And you really make good time around here.
Yeah.
You get that biggie, Charlie?
That one right there is what I'm going to get. Think it'll go in the bag?
No.
Try it. This is a great way to do it, leaning on the shoulder. Ah. It might go in a bag,
Flight
John.
experiments.
Bag, Charlie.
Huh?
Let's not even try.
Don't want
Go
to
ahead.
try?
Okay, I guess we better
Okay,
get him back
this
to the
angular
rover,
rock
get
is
him started heading back.
too big for a bag, and it's got some
Okay.
glass on it. And I think it's a breccia also, Tony. It's going in John's SRC.
Okay, and it's time to go back and pack up.
Okay. I see what you mean, babe.
Hey, you can't get the top off.
Get the top off. I just pulled it off with your thing there. Okay, figured I was going to do that.
Can't believe that terrain, Houston.
Here you go, John. Why don't you carry it back?
You're right, that's pretty spectacular.
Let's just lay it. Let's just lay it in the seat.
Here we come.
Okay, we see you.
Ready or not. Here we come.
Okay, we see you.
Ready or not?
Oh, here goes.
We're ready.
Here's my hammer, Charlie.
Boy, how'd that come out?
I don't know.
I'll get it, John. I can do it with a shovel, easy. Glad you saw that.
Flight experiments.
Go ahead.
Looks like they'll be going by that rock. Could we ask them to pick it up on the way back?
The one in the lower left corner here?
Yes, that's right.
Ah,
You want to pick that rock up, Capcom? You see it?
you got everything?
Yep.
Give me something. I can carry something. Okay, it's in there.
Yeah, let's
Right in
hold the
your
TV
pocket.
on it, Enco, if you do
There it
that.
goes.
Okay.
Time flies. Man, I can't wait to get back to Buster, Tony.
Right.
It's really some crater.
As you come around there, there's a rock in the near field on this rim that has some white on the top of it. We'd like you to pick it up as a grab sample.
This one right here?
That's it.
This one right here?
That's it. You got it right there.
Okay, that's a football-sized rock. It's a great Scott size.
Sure you want to rock that big, Houston?
Yeah, let's go ahead and get it.
That's a 20-pound of rock right there.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a big class in it, John. It sure is. I fall into Plum crater getting this rock. Wahlberger has had it.
Oh, yeah, great.
Okay, I got it. That's 20 pounds of rock.
Want to put it in here, Charlie? I just then you didn't. Look at the size of that moon.
I know it. Oh, Tony, it's got some beautiful crystals in it, though. That was a good guess.
Good show.
Flight experiments.
Go ahead.
Does the crew really
put it
know that
there,
we're not
John.
going to get any documented sampling
Put it
at
where?
the spook?
In your SCB.
I don't think it'll fit. Yeah, I don't think it'll fit.
I don't know whether they know that or not.
It ain't gonna fit. Right here.
That's it.
This one right here.
That's it. You got it right there.
Okay, that's a football-sized rock. It's a great Scott size.
Sure you want to rock that big, Houston?
Yeah, let's go ahead and get it.
That's a 20-pound of rock right there.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a big class in it, John. It sure is. I fall into Plum crater getting this rock. Wahlberger has had it.
Oh, yeah, great.
I got it. That's 20 pounds of rock. It ain't gonna fit. Yeah.
Put it under your seat.
Yeah. It's dusty. Phew. Hey, you want some more bags here?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your good.
The experiment
Okay,
flight.
Tony, I'm gonna
Go
put
ahead.
that little
The
black ball.
LMP, you still will want him to do the description of
back that.
500 millimeter
Yeah.
photos, right?
Right,
Look
and
at that,
sampling.
John.
And
Yeah, it
a
is
short
a
period of
piece
time.
glass.
Solid
Oh,
glass.
yeah. Black glass.
That's right.
Going in the bag,
And we want that pan.
4.
Do you want a pan here, or you?
No, that's the one you're talking about, spook.
Okay, it's spook.
Okay, and we'll need an EMU check before you drive off.
Stand by.
Okay, I'm running at 48%, 3.87. I'm on halfway between intermediate and minimum,
Hey,
and I don't
experiment
have
flight.
any
Go ahead.
flags.
If we have the 10 minutes of driving time, we're not going to get there in time
We
for
got to do
your
something with
LPM.
this
Yeah, we're
flag
already a
before we
minute
leave,
back.
Charlie.
Well, even
Put
if
in
we
the
left on
seat.
time, we would.
Under my seat. Okay, Tony, I'm clear on the flags.
That's right.
My frame count.
Well, if we could have,
What do you want
if
to
we
do?
could if we could get the
65.
CDR to just go ahead and do the
I've got,
LPM without anything else, doing anything else, we probably could get the LPM in. But
You got a cutoff time for that?
What you got, Charlie?
It looks like I'm at about 35%, and I'm between intermediate and
now that'd be
min,
5 plus
and I'm at
26.
385.
Okay.
Copy
Okay,
flight.
make sure you're in min, I guess, before we get in and
Yeah,
start
okay.
driving.
Going to min. That's a good point. Thanks.
Okay.
Seats,
LMP and CDR in
single bound.
Experience, if we don't have time to do the LPM, you just want to document
Okay.
something.